Spade 3, Gunsmoke 6-1, go with your check-in. Gunsmoke copies abort in the clear, continue inbound Jackal Fox 18 to 20,000, call 1 ready, sit rep. Gunsmoke, target area coordinates 37 Sierra Delta Alpha 12511 76413. Keyhole is in effect. Enemy position east of river 500 meters. Friendlies marked by red smoke, troops in contact. Armors offline, but we're taking IDF from enemy position. Clearance authorities Gunsmoke 6-1, no hazards and weather's Cavoc. Gunsmoke has type 3 bombs on target, Mark 82, interval at own discretion. Gunsmoke with Alpha 8, 1092 feet. Infantry within tree line, east of river, by Torcon. Friendlies marked with red smoke. Left pull, Jackal Fox, 18 to 20,000. Report ready for remarks. Final attack direction north to south. Nothing further, read back and ready. Good read back, ready for Torcon. Call visual with red smoke. Go west 500 meters and report contact with wooded area under direct tracer fire. The edge of that tree line close to the river is your target. Copy, report pushing. Spade continue. Spade 3, Gunsmoke 6-1, engage, engage, engage. Spade, Gunsmoke, good hits, re-engage. Spade, Gunsmoke, good effect, target destroyed, there's nothing moving down here, sir. Cleared out to the north, 18 and 20,000, report clear of the area.